even 65 rupees would be a waste for this. Is this going to be my next favorite lip combo? Gonna lie, I did not enjoy using it much. Low-key liking this concealer. This is a me problem, guys. I'm actually trying to close my mouth and do it. Hello everyone, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another video where we both get to explore new things. My name is Pranjali. I'm a software developer as well as a content creator. I am really excited for this video today because today I'm going to be doing this glam makeup look using the cheapest products from Nykaa. Would you believe I did this entire glam in just rupees 1085? Let's not delay anymore and let's get straight into the video. Already done with my skincare, so I'm going to jump right into the makeup. Starting with the first step of makeup, which is the primer. I'm using the L18 Ace Base Face Primer with vitamin E in it. It is this small tube. It has 10 milliliter of product. The original price of this primer is 135, but you will always get it at a discounted price on Nykaa. I got it at 101, the cheapest primer that Nykaa suggested. More liquidy than I prefer a primer to be. You can see this side is more even than this side. Pores have been very subtly hidden. Does not feel sticky at all and very lightweight. It almost feels like I have nothing on my face yet. Only drawback is that the product quantity is too less. It's honestly no complaints when you're getting a primer doing this job at 135. I like how my skin is looking evened out. Probably give this 4 out of 5. I talk about the texture, consistency, how lightweight it is and what it has done to my face. I would definitely say a 4 would be the right rating for this one. Would definitely suggest this primer if you are going for something affordable. Now that we're done with the primer, let's go ahead with the base. The cheapest concealer that I found on Nykaa was the Inside Cosmetics concealer in the shade beige. Original price of the Inside Cosmetics concealer is rupees 125. But I got it at 106 rupees. So affordable for a concealer. This has 3.5 grams of product in it. Also very tiny, but I think it's very travel friendly. For the primer, I'd say the same. It's very convenient for travel basis. The shade that I have ordered is NC2 Beige. I'm not sure if it's going to be my shade. Very creamy in texture. Honestly, I'm somebody who completely depends on a concealer and not a foundation. I would prefer it to be a tube or have a doe foot applicator. Always take a little bit of the product on your hands so that you don't go directly on your face. The shade match is actually not too off. I thought this would look very orangish on me, but honestly guys, am I low-key liking this concealer? Applied a very little amount of the concealer. Tried to cover this. So easy to blend with fingers. Loving this concealer. Shade match is perfect for me. If you're medium skin tone like me, the beige shade is the one. If I talk about the concealing power, this is before and this is after. Not applied any color corrector beneath and it still did the job. Does not look ashy at all, making my skin look like my skin but better. This is low-key giving. Inside Cosmetics, thank you for this product. When I say I just use a concealer for my base, this is what I mean. We used a lot of famous brands and their concealers, but they have not provided me with this kind of sheer coverage. No points for guessing. I'm going to give this straight 5 out of 5. Hidden my dark circles, my dark spots, my pigmentations, my pimple, all at just 125. Moving on with the most important part of a makeup, for me at least, which is the eyebrows. I'm using the Blue Heaven True Brow Eyebrow Definer in the shade Black. Original price of this product is rupees 90. I got it at rupees 81 is what the applicator looks like. With the pencil, I am not too confident doing my eyebrows, so that's why I went on ahead with an eyebrow stick. I have never used a Blue Heaven product before. A little goes a long way since it is pigmented, so it might as well give you a harsh line when you're trying to directly draw your eyebrows. I think the eyebrows look pretty good. Definitely has a lot of product inside. You would not have to buy it again and again. Probably give this a 4 as well. And all in all, for the price I got it for, it's pretty good. I searched for the cheapest eyeshadow in Nykaa and I got the Inside Cosmetics liquid eyeshadow in the shade Butterfly Effect. We all must have used this kind of a product before. It's a kind of rose gold shade, but you'll get a variety of shades in this range. Very travel friendly eyeshadow. Original price of this product was $155. I got it at $132. So basically there's always some discount on the other. It has 3 grams of product. Duochrome eyeshadow. Love how the shade looks like. Also dried down really fast. I also don't see the glitter particles all over, which generally is the case with these, liquid eyeshadows. Don't use your fingers for these kind of eyeshadows because the product seems to shift cream's glam. It looks like you have the holographic thing going on. Maybe I was expecting a little more pink in this one. 3.5 out of 5. Think I would like it to be a little more pigmented than this. This is what the eyes look like. The cheapest eyeliner that I found on Nykaa was the Blue Heaven Get Bold eyeliner in the shade Black Diamond. The original price of this eyeliner is 65 rupees. Nowadays I'm generally more used to using pen eyeliners. Haven't used this kind of an applicator for a long time. One swipe did this. I love the pigmentation. I'm actually trying to do a wing first. There's literally pin drop silence in my room. It's a little difficult because it's too narrow. I really wasn't planning to do this much of a wing, but I had to. I was not very easily able to control it. Not gonna lie, I did not enjoy using it much. When you start filling in the wing, right? That's when it takes time. 2.7 out of 5. The cheapest mascara on Nykaa was again a Blue Heaven product. It is the Blue Heaven Get Bold Mascara. Original price of this mascara is also 65. The eyeliner and the mascara both are priced at 65. Tiny mascara, 6.5 milliliters of product, so maybe won't last that long. I'm actually trying to close my mouth and do it because I don't want to look like how I generally look when I do my mascara. Guess I'm gonna go with the second coat and see. This is a me problem, guys. And
2,000 years later.
At this point, I think I've applied about 10 coats of this mascara, but I don't see it giving any kind of volume to my lashes. It says quick dry, water resistant, no clumping. That's true, there's no clumps. Lightweight, that's true. Long stay, I'm not sure, I've just worn it. But if I talk about it making any difference to your lashes, absolutely not. If you are wearing a mascara, you would definitely want your eyelashes to look better than original, obviously. I mean, that's a given. That's really at best what I could do. I don't think you find any difference because even I don't. Definitely give this one a 1 out of 5. Even 65 rupees would be a waste for this, but there's no result on my eyelashes. So far, we've seen the base products to be very good. With the eyes, we've not been very lucky. Favorite part of any makeup look, the blush. I'm using the Inside Cosmetics blusher in the shade Watermelon Popsicle. 3.5 grams of product in it. What the blush looks like. If you've seen my blush collection video, then you must already be knowing that I am a sucker for blushes. Original price of this blush is rupees 95. It looks very creamy and also has a certain amount of dewiness to it. Ooh. That's pretty. So just take it on your fingers, put it on your hand, then from the hand you take it and then you apply. Pretty pigmented. Putting a little bit on my nose because I love to do that. Kind of give you like a sun-kissed summer look. All in all, 3.5 out of 5. Lip balms off because now I'm going to be doing my lips. For the lip liner, I'm using the Inside Cosmetics Glide On Lip Liner in the shade High Key. It has 0.3 grams of product in it. Got this lip liner at just rupees 85. Might call this a rust shade, which I don't think I realized. When I saw it online, I thought this shade would be like a brown, a dark brown. I don't overline my upper lips that much. Do it more for the lower lips. Even if you wear it like this, it kind of looks pretty good. See, it has really lined my lips very precisely. 4.2 out of 5. Now we have the lipstick, and no, this video is not sponsored by Blue Heaven or Inside Cosmetics. It might seem so because all these, like all the products I've used are either from Inside or from Blue Heaven. But if you go to Nykaa and if you search for the cheapest products, you'll actually find these brands come up first. The lipstick that I'm using is again from Blue Heaven. Blue Heaven Intense Matte Lipstick in the shade Sandy Beach. This is a very subtle brown nude shade. Original price of this lipstick is just ₹100. Looks so pretty. You can come in my video also. That was my sister. Not exaggerating, but this could very well pass off as the Charlotte Tilbury dupe for Super Fabulous shade. Is this going to be my next favorite lip combo? Who knows? Formula looks very high-end. It's creamy but not too creamy. It's matte but not too matte. I think by now I've already established this in my channel that I am a lip gloss puglu as well. This is the Inside Cosmetics Long Wear Color Rich Lip Gloss in shade 01 Frost. I got this clear lip gloss, also priced at just ₹100. To be honest, it's not too glossy. On my lips, it does not feel sticky at all. Give this lip gloss a fair 3.7 out of 5. Of course, this glam will not be complete without a highlighter. Yes, again, Inside Cosmetics is on the list. It's in the shade Moonstone Bliss. Original price of this highlighter is ₹125. The more I apply it, the more I love it. I have loved using it. It's so easy to blend. I did not have to use any brush. I'll give this a 4.6 out of 5. Last product of this makeup look, we are going to set all of it with a fixer, and I have the Blue Heaven Long Lasting Makeup Fixer with me. Original price of this fixer is ₹200. Most costly out of all the products I've used today. Apparently this gives a silk matte effect. It's paraben free. Always keep a considerable gap between the fixer and your face. You don't want your face to look like you have just come out of a sauna. Trying to just set my entire face. I really tried to do a very doable, easy glam that you'll probably be able to achieve with these products or with any product that you have, honestly. It's also beginner friendly. Now that we're done with everything, this is the final look. And that's what a full face of glam makeup looks using the cheapest products from Nykaa. Hope this video has helped you in some sort of way. Maybe you guys can also purchase few of these products and try them out yourself and see which one suits you the best. I had a lot of fun doing a get ready with me video after so long. If you have made your way up until here, then please do not forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Click on the bell icon so that you get notifications every time I post something new. I go by the name Pranjali Bose on Instagram, where I also put up a lot more content. I'm also very active on my short space, so do check that out. I'm going to be back with more beauty, fashion, lifestyle, travel related content for you guys. Until then, thanks for watching. I'll be back with more. Till then, you guys take care. Bye.